Hey guys, Sinister the Drone Network coming at you with episode 3 of What's in the Package. This is courtesy of Heath. Thank you, brother. The RC Hunter. He sent this for Jack. I know what it is. Jack knows what it is, but do you guys know what it is? So let's get it open. Go ahead and be careful, Jack. Professional unboxing and training here. Unboxer and training. It's kind of... You want me to cut it?
Nope.
Be careful. You cut away from you. Cut away from you. Cut away from you. Keep going. There you go. Don't cut too deep. Alright, now slip the sides open. In here. No, you gotta get the sides. Make sure you can see. Don't cut your hand.
I've already done it.
No. Cut the tape, not the box. The tape. The tape. Sorry, guys. Sorry if I'm shaky with the camera, guys. I'm trying to watch him. No, don't. Okay. There you go.
I didn't do it on this side.
Okay, go ahead. This came all the way from the United Kingdom. See that there?
I see part of it.
Yeah. All right. Put the knife away. There you go. Okay, what do we got there?
Blanket I came with it.
No, it's a rag. Cloth. Thank you. What's that? What is it?
I think it's a... What is it?
Get it open.
Remote.
Very cool.
Wait, how
Show
do
the
you
camera.
steer
Show
it,
the camera.
though? How do you steer it?
Hang on. Turn it around. Turn it around so we can see it. Okay. I think there's a wheel that goes on there, but let's go ahead and...
I see.
Okay. Go ahead and get that stuff out of there. So we have a transmitter, but for what?
Oh,
Go slow.
with the body.
Hang on.
Oh, there's a note.
There's a note. What does it say? Read it out loud.
Hey, Jack. Happy Christmas. Hope you like your new RC car. Don't let your dad play with it all the time. You've been told Jim Bob, love from Heath, aka the RC Hunter.
AKA the RC Hunter. Very nice. Very nice.
Wait, what does that say?
It says gangsta. All right.
Oh.
Slowly. Yeah, just start taking some of that paper out because it's stuffed pretty good, it looks like. Good job
This.
in the packing.
I know
That,
this
you know what that is?
Yeah.
That's the wheel for what? The transmitter, right?
Yep.
Very cool.
This one here so we don't get lost.
Just, you can just put it to the side for now. Okay. All right.
Here we go.
Very cool.
Well, okay, let's get the real prize.
Okay, we're going to move this box out of the way here.
Let's go right here.
Don't pull too hard. Why don't you cut that tape with your knife? Okay. Okay. All right. Now you get, okay. You gotta, no. Peel it from the bottom. Ooh, look at that.
I like that color.
Peel it from the bottom. From the bottom. You already cut the tape on the bottom. Don't, because we don't want to get the body. No, I said peel it from the bottom. There you go.
Gold wheels.
Yeah, let's check it. Well, let's see here. There you go. Now just peel it. Look at that. Hang on. Okay, hold it up so I can see. Turn it around so you can see the front. It's a Mustang.
Back.
Let's see the backpack. Very cool. Look, it says Jack right there. Let's see that hood. Let me see that hood. No, put it this way so I can see it. Down, down, down. There you go. Bam, look at that.
What is it?
It's a decal the RC Hunter put on
What is
there.
that?
I don't know, we'll look at it, but let's go ahead and pop that body off there. See what we're working with here. Very cool.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom! Look at that. Got a Dean's connector on there. Look at these shocks. Oh yeah.
I can't ramp it.
No, this is for on the street. Look at those tires and wheels spinning around. Very cool. You're gonna have some fun with this little on-road car.
We're gonna have to get a battery for it.
Yeah, we'll get a battery for it.
When?
We'll make something work. We'll figure it out. Look at that body. And this is custom painted by Heath, the RC Hunter himself. Let's see that body again. Very, very cool. Look at those decals. Charisma. Sorry, guys. I'm going to like Charisma. Very cool. Look at the headlights. Charisma stickers on. Very cool. Look at the little fire extinguisher in the roll cage in the window. That's cool. Jack. Bow. All right, guys. What do you say, Jack?
Thank you, Heath.
Definitely. Definitely. Thumbs up, Jack? All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.